How to redeem gift card on Shein. First things first, open your Shein app on your phone. After you opened it, go to the Me page on your Shein app and click the gift card. It is supposed to be on the top right corner of your screen to be specific for you. But first, make sure you did buy one of these on Shein to have the PIN and the card number for the gift card. It is for you to redeem the gift card when you are purchasing something on the Shein app. But if you already did that, go to your cart page and choose some things that you like and check it out. Then, after you chose, scroll down until you see the Add Coupon feature. It is necessary for you to redeem your gift card when you were purchasing something. Click the gift card under the Add Coupon. And in here, just type the card number and PIN that you supposed to get from having the gift cards earlier in the video. And so, that is how you redeem gift cards on Shein app. That's all for this video. Hope you learned something new with me today. Thank you.